Hey guys, so today I'm back with another haul video for you all. I feel like I've done a lot of hauls recently, but today I'm going to show you what I bought in the summer sales. This was kind of an unintentional haul because, well, not unintentional, but I went to London the other day and I popped onto Oxford Street and I wanted to look in Zara. I went into Zara, didn't find anything, and then went into Primark and bought a few things which I'm going to put on an IGTV haul because I only got a couple of things. It's not really worth doing a separate haul. But yeah, what do you guys think of IGTV, by the way? I feel like they're trying to take over YouTube. I don't think it's going to happen, but I'm kind of liking it at the same time. So yeah, I'm going to do like the mini Primark section on there. But then I ended up popping into Selfridges to be like, oh, I'll just have a look at the end of the sale because I didn't think they would have any good things left. Oh my god, the Selfridges sale was amazing, and I ended up picking up a load of stuff, and I think I worked it out on average it was 80 to 85% off the stuff that I got. So I was super happy with that, and I got some things that I'm really excited to show you in the Selfridges sale. So without further ado, I'm going to show you. First of all, this bag is literally full up to the brim, and yeah, I'll just go like with what's on top. The first thing, if I'm gonna put the shopping handles down, I might even put it on the floor. There we go, let's do that. The first thing is a silk shirt from Rails. You guys know I love stars. This is a beautiful, it's like off-white silk shirt with multicolored stars on it. Really pretty. I love Rails shirts. They cut really nicely, they fit really nice, they're just very comfortable, easy to wear, and it's got like pink, light pink, dark pink, yellow and blue stars, oh, and some green ones as well. I just thought it was really pretty, and this was 50% off. So this was actually still quite expensive. I think it was still £90, but I've got a couple of their shirts and I wear them all the time, so I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. I think it would look really nice with jeans or with a skirt. Super pretty, so I got that. And then come the more crazy, huge discounts. So the first thing I spotted were these, and these are like totally to wear around the house, not outside, because they're like tracksuit bottoms, but they are the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. This kind of brand reminds me of like shopping in LA. Every time I go to LA, I want to buy all of this like luxury loungewear brands, because I feel like it's such an LA thing, but not really. I would never buy them in England is my point. It's from a band called Sundry. These were reduced from £150. £150 for joggers. I just wouldn't buy them for £150 because that's crazy. But they were reduced to 20, and they are literally the softest thing ever. They're that similar kind of material that Wild Fox make stuff out of. They've got stars all over them. I was just sold. In these I got a size medium, I believe, or a size 2. Which I think is like a medium. The shirt I got a size small. So yeah, I got those. Very happy with those for 20 quid. And then I also got another jumper, which I was so excited to see this because this brand is super cool, but their stuff's really expensive. I wouldn't normally buy anything from them because I think I don't know if like, for me personally, it's not something I would spend a huge amount of money on. It's a Cashmere Jumper, and this is from Lingua Franca, which is the brand that do the stitching on the front. So it's red cashmere and it's got pink stitching on the front that says Fearless, which is all of her or their, I don't know, I don't actually know if it's a female designer. I feel like it is because it's very like feminist brand, but like all of their slogans are like really awesome, like fun, and kind of a lot of them are very like tongue-in-cheek. This is cool, but it's also a Taylor Swift reference for any other major Taylor Swift fans out there. She obviously had an album called Fearless and a song called Fearless. I just was like, I love it. It's actually a size large, which I tried it on and they only had larges left, and I do have to say I think I prefer it in a large. With cashmere jumpers, I think if they're tight, they're not often like the most flattering things, whereas this is like just really lovely for kind of lounging in, but also wearing with jeans, like loose fitting. Love it. And it was reduced from £350 to £50. So yeah, amazing. Love it a lot. And then I also picked up from Selfridges 2 pairs of jeans. I've been wearing Primark jeans for the last 6 months since I had the baby because I've been kind of unsure of my size and didn't want to spend a lot of money because I'm hoping to go back into my old jeans that I already own. I'm like not going to get rid of my jeans. Like I just still haven't quite lost all of the baby weight yet. So I was wearing like a size 29. I'm now wearing a size 28 and I'm normally a 27. So I wouldn't normally spend a huge amount of money on designer jeans, especially at the moment, but these were such a good discount and they fitted really nicely. And also one thing I have to say about like after having a baby, you feel, well, I if you like bounce back, a lot of people like lose the weight straight away. Some people do. I haven't, and I just feel rubbish in my jeans. Like whenever I wear jeans I just feel really like not myself and like unconfident, and I put these on and I felt so much better about myself. So I was like, right, I'm gonna get them. The first ones I picked up were these. They are the Rag and Bone Dre jeans. I have always wanted a pair of Rag and Bone jeans, but they're so expensive. I've never like been able, I've tried them on like a lot and I've never been able to like pull myself to buy them. These were reduced from £240 to £50. So these are the 28s and they're like a kind of straight leg, slim fit jean. Really, really nice. Quite distressed. So I got those. I was really happy with those. And then I also picked up some Citizens of Humanity ones, and these are like a slim boyfriend fit, but they only had a 29 and they're like slightly too big, but because of the cut I think it works. I definitely could have got a 28 if I wanted them to fit tighter, but I quite like them being a bit looser. These are the Elsa jeans from Citizens of Humanity, and these were reduced from, I don't actually have the original ticket, I think they were around £300 and they were reduced to 40. But I really love the wash of these, and they're like not distressed like the other ones, but they're like a crop, like a straight leg crop, and I just thought they were really, really lovely. I tried on about 20 pairs of jeans and some of them were terrible, but those two I really liked. And then I may have bought a new handbag. Maybe. So this bag, I have kind of had my eye on this bag and I've ummed and ahed about it. I've checked it out like many times in the shops and been like, no, it's like I don't need it. It's too expensive for like a basic like trendy bag, and I just don't know. I was unsure. However, I kept like coming back to it, and then more recently I saw in the sales that a lot of the bags that this brand makes, I'm just gonna say it's JW Anderson, a lot of the JW Anderson bags were in a sale. So I was like, oh, I wonder if this one is in the sale. Like, no big deal if not, but you know, if it was, I'd definitely have a look. So I went onto the Net-a-Porter site and they actually had this bag in like a really beautiful forest green. They still have it, I'll link it, for 600 and something pounds. I think it was 30% off. And I was like, still a lot of money, like not sure. And then I walked into Selfridges and they had the red one, they had the orange one, they had a couple of the bigger styles as well, which were a bit more expensive, but they had the one that I'd had my eye on and it was 60% off. This is the bag. It's the like blush pink pierce bag, the one that looks like a bull's nose. It's the one with the chains, it's the mini version, and it was reduced from £975 to £380. So I was super happy with that. It's got a really beautiful pale gold coloured chain. One thing I do actually really like about this bag is that the chain is not actually that long. So it's like the perfect length when you have it on your shoulder, but it's also not too short when you put it crossbody. Just a really gorgeous like lightweight bag. The leather is stunning. It actually had a slight mark on it when I bought it, and I spoke to the sales assistant and he was like, oh, we sell this leather stuff, this leather gel. I ended up buying a pot because he went and got it, rubbed it on, and the mark came straight off. It was literally amazing. It's the Colonel Classic leather gel. I'm definitely going to be using this on a lot of my handbags. It's like a weatherproofing gel, but it looks really weird. I'm going to show it to you because he was like, I can do it for you if you want before you buy the bag, and I was like, yes, because I 100% do not want to put this stuff on a pale bag because I just can't imagine it's going to work. He was like, trust me, it's going to be fine. It looks like a face cream. Look at it. Oh god, I nearly spilled it out. And it smells really like shoe polish. But yeah, so it works wonders. I'm going to put it all over my bags and all over my shoes because it's like conditioning. I think it would be really good for the inside of my Chanel classic flap, the older one that's got quite, it's not like marks, but there's a few little bits of like makeup marks or like bits and bobs, and I think this would be really good for that. So yeah, that's my new bag. Very excited for that. I thought that was a good bargain. So yeah, if you are around London this week, I imagine the very end of the Selfridges sale, especially if you're looking for jeans, because they had so many jeans, is amazing. I also got a few presents as well, whilst I was there, for birthdays and stuff coming up. And then I also popped into And Other Stories, because there's one that's just opened up, well not just opened up, opened up last year I think, opposite Selfridges, and it's a really nice one. And I got 2 things from there, and I actually bought these, this is a lie, I bought these before I went into Selfridges, and after I went into Selfridges I was like, this makes my And Other Stories purchases seem really expensive, because they weren't on sale. I got this shirt, which, it's so loud, but I'm like kind of obsessed with it. Like, something about it I just love. They did this in a dress, but I actually didn't have the dress in my size, like a maxi dress. I really want to go and see if I can try it on because it looks gorgeous. Is it a bit much having something in this print in a shirt and a dress? Probably. I just love it. I love pink and red together, clashing, gorgeous. It's silk, it's got beautiful gold detailing, but it was really expensive for And Other Stories. I think it was £80, which you compare it to like me getting a cashmere jumper for 50 quid, seems a lot. But yeah, I love it, and I just think it's beautiful, and I know I'll wear it a lot because it's just me, very, very me. And then I also picked up this wrap midi skirt, which, or it's almost like that in between a midi and a maxi, but it's like a wrap over and it's got a slit. It's plain black, like a crepey kind of material, but yeah, I feel like it doesn't really look like much when I'm holding it up, but it's nice on, and I feel like I will wear it a lot this summer. We're also due to be coming into a massive heat wave. Well, we are in a massive heat wave. It's been hot for the last couple of days, and by the time this video goes up in a couple of days time, I think it's hot for like the next 2 weeks. So that will be getting a lot of wear, hopefully for the whole of the summer. Hopefully we get good weather for the whole of the summer, but I feel like I will wear that a lot in the next few weeks especially. That is it. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Also, another note, sorry for the kind of interrupted content over the past few weeks. I went on holiday and didn't manage to film enough content before I went on holiday to like tide me over, and then ended up just in a bit of a content rut, if I was honest. And I just didn't really, like, I got back and got the post-holiday blues majorly and was like, I don't want to film, I don't have anything to film, and I just thought I didn't want to force it and film content that I didn't really feel that into. I don't know, and there's something about like being in like a routine and a schedule for YouTube that I think is sometimes a bit, it can be a little bit stifling on the content, because I feel like I need to put out that content, not necessarily like that I want to film certain videos. Do you know what I mean? Whereas like I feel like back in the day, early YouTube days, I would just sit down and film stuff. Like this video, I was so excited to film because I genuinely had been shopping and was like, oh my god, I'm so excited about the sales. And that is what I want my videos to be about, as opposed to like, oh, I need to film a video for Wednesday, I'm gonna sit down and film this video. But yeah, I don't know, I might still be sticking to the schedule, but what do you guys think? Would you prefer not to have a schedule and for things to be a bit more spontaneous, or would you like having like Wednesday, Friday, Sunday routine? What do you think? What do you think? Also, let me know what you think about IGTV, because I'm hoping to make a few little bits and bobs for you guys on there as well. That is it for today. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!